Podium Studio.
Eleven Top Richest Filipinos of 2020. In today's video, we will show you who's the richest individual citizens in the entire Philippines. Now let's begin. 11. Ramon C. Ang, age 67, he is the President and Chief Executive Officer of Top Frontier Investment Holdings, Incorporated, the largest shareholder of San Miguel Corporation. He is also the Vice Chairman, President and Chief Operating Officer of SMC and the Chairman of Cyber Bay Corporation and Eagle Cement Corporation. His total net worth, $2.4 billion. 10th spot, Tony Tan Kok Chong, age 68, a Filipino billionaire businessman. He is the founder and chairman of Jollibee Foods Corporation, and the co-chairman of Double Dragon Properties. A multi-awarded entrepreneur from Davao del Sur, Philippines, his net worth is down by 7.4% at $2.6 billion. Top 9, Teresita Tan C. Cozen, born October 1950, is a Filipino businesswoman. The vice chairman of SM Investments Corporation, one of the Philippines' largest publicly traded holding companies with interests in retail, banking, property and portfolio investments. She is also the chairman of BDO Unibank, Incorporated, the Philippines' largest bank in terms of the total resources, capital, loans, total deposits, and assets under management as of the end of 2015. Her total net worth is up by 17.4% at $2.7 billion. Number 8, Harley C. is the Executive Director of SM Investments, one of the country's largest conglomerates, which was founded by his late father Henry C. SM Investments has interests in everything from retail, banking, property and equity. He is the youngest of Henry C's 6 children and the 4th son. His net worth is up by 17% at $2.8 billion. 7th, Henry C. Jr., co-vice chairman of SM Investments, a major conglomerate founded by his late father, Henry C. Sr. He also serves as chairman of SM Prime, the group's property arm with interests in malls, residences, offices, hotels and convention centers. His net worth is up by 17% at $2.8 billion. 6th on the list, Andrew Lin Tan, born in Fujian, China, is a Chinese-Filipino billionaire with business interests in real estate, liquor and fast food. Founder, chairman, and president of Mega World Corporation, chairman and CEO of Alliance Global Group, Incorporated, known for the Emperador Brandy, and Golden Arches Development Corporation, operates McDonald's franchises in the Philippines. His total net worth is up by 20% at $3 billion. Number 5, Herbert C. is an advisor of SM Investments, a major conglomerate, and a director of SM Prime, the group's property developer. He is a son of the late SM founder, Henry C., and the second youngest of 6 children. His total net worth is up by 15% at $3 billion. 4th, Hans T.C., 64 years old, is the chairman of the executive committee of SM Prime and has been a director of the company since 1994. He previously held the position of president of SM Prime until September 2016. He also held key positions in several companies engaged in banking, real estate development, mall operations, as well as leisure and entertainment. He is currently advisor to the board of SM Investments Corporation, chairman of China Banking Corporation, and chairman of National University. His total net worth is up by 15% at more than $3 billion. 3. Lucio C. Tan Sr., born in Fujian, China, raised in the Philippines, Tan worked as a janitor before, in a tobacco factory where he mopped floors to pay for school. Lucio Tan, is a Filipino-Chinese billionaire businessman and educator with interests in banking, airline, liquor, tobacco, real estate industries, beverages, and education. He is the chairman and CEO of LT Group, Incorporated, Philippine Airlines, Asia Brewery, Tanjuay Distillers, Philippine National Bank, chairman of University of the East and Macro Asia Corporation. In 2013, Forbes magazine listed him as the second richest billionaire from the Philippines with a net worth of $7.5 billion. In 2020, his total net worth is $3.2 billion. Number 2. He's not half Filipino and Chinese descent. Enrique Anselmo Clausen Jr. is a Spanish-Filipino billionaire and the chairman and CEO of the Manila-listed company International Container Terminal Services, Incorporated, the Philippine port handling giant. Chairman of Bloomsbury Resorts Corporation, developer of Solar Resort and Casino, a $1.2 billion integrated resort complex in the Philippines entertainment city. His net worth is down by 2% at $5.1 billion, making him the second richest Filipino citizen in the Philippines. Before we go to the number 1 spot, please leave us a comment. Hit the like button if you like this video and please share and don't forget to subscribe.
Podman Studio.
The top on the list at number 1. Former senator and presidential candidate of 2010 national election, Manuel Villar, chairman of Vista Mall, formerly Star Malls, one of Philippines' largest mall operators. He is also the chairman of Vista Land and Landscapes, the Philippines' largest home builder. In December 2017, his company acquired Real Homes, a developer of mass housing projects and condos, and changed its name to Golden Bria. In October 2019 he took his home improvement chain All Home public. He stopped his political career to focus on his businesses. For 2 consecutive years, Villar tops as the richest man in the Philippines. As of 2020, his total net worth is up by 7.4% at $7.2 billion. Hard work, mindset and luck, tons of money. What is life of being a billionaire? What do you think? Leave us a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more.
Podman Studio.